What's this one?
This is pork ribs.
Ooh.
So I'll give you this one.
Ooh. With my fingers, my fingers.
Yep, you gotta finger it.
Oh my god, it's dripping. Whoa. Look at that. How many inches is this?
That's about 12 inches.
This is 12?
Yes. Right, chat?
Really? It's like the size of my head.
Yeah, that's about 12 inches.
That's not 12, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. How about you?
Yeah, we're about, same.
No, not yours. Like,
Oh.
I gotta pee.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, let me get one. Yeah.
Okay, cheers.
Okay.
Oh no, there's a bone in the middle. I thought I'd just bite into it.
Wait, have you never had ribs before?
No, I did, but I didn't see the bone there. I thought it was like in the middle of it, and it was just like a thick slice. Oops.
Make sure you eat around here. This is where the juicy parts are.
Okay,
where
I'll
your thumb
start
is.
here. Yeah. Alright, turn off the stream. It's too much.
Are you gonna come?
Fluffing me. Not for free.